Welcome back, my family. Today is day 25 of trading forex professionally. Um, right now it is 10:55, 1 hour. Well, 55 minutes after 10 o'clock news. So we couldn't start trading at 10 o'clock because there was news at 10 o'clock. We're going to be trading Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CHF today. We're seeing some potential trades. Euro USD looking iffy. So we're seeing trades. We seen 1 hour in a downtrend USD CHF. We seen GBP USD in an uptrend. So we're going to be taking uptrend. Oh my gosh, bitch. Fuck. Move the fucking item, bitch. Alright. So we're going to be taking uptrend trades on GBP USD, and then USD CHF we're going to be taking downtrend trades. If a trade show up. Right? Now from yesterday our max trades per day is 4, but since we're risking 0.5%, no, since yesterday oh my gosh, the max amount of trades we could take per day was 2, but we're increasing it into 4 because we're risking only 0.5% of the account, and we don't want to take at least a whole 4 months to pass that account. That shit we wanna pass. Okay, so that good there. 15 is a downtrend. So we're just looking for a trade on the 1 minute. 30 up then down. So we're going to wait for that to cross that line. Alright. But that they're ready for a trade. That definitely ready for a trade. So USD CHF is our best bet at actually getting a trade. So that's what we're going to be looking at. We don't do no wrestling. Fuck all my haters, they could rest in peace. We want to see one FVG form breaking structure. That's all what we want to see. On the 30 minutes for Euro USD price just there right now. Let's see what will happen. But for now, we're looking at USD CHF. Go under 1 minute. USD CHF. We taking that trade if it happen. 47 more seconds. Okay, so that trade not a valid trade. Right? If that do touch that FVG, then we taking that trade for sure, for sure. Seventeen and 17, 7 and 7 is 4. So that's 34. Okay, so it touched the FVG. So we're not taking that trade. Right. GBP USD still looking slow. We want that 40 minute to go above that line. So everything could be in an uptrend. So we could take some uptrend trades. But that trade wasn't a good trade because that candle closing at FVG. So we're not gonna take it. I don't do no wrestling. As we can see, everything in a downtrend. So we're taking downtrend trades. literally just chilling right now. If we would have entered that trade, which we didn't, that's how we would have entered. Put our would have entered right there. Oh, would have entered sell trade right there in line with the whole trend. And CP would have been down there. Yeah, CP would have been down there. And then we'd, oh yeah, we want to incorporate at least take profit at that level. At that that level. So we're going to incorporate two TPs, right? In our new trading. Well, not new, but we're just improving our current strategy. Incorporating two TPs would basically improve our win rate and decrease our drawdown instead of just leaving one TP. So yeah, so it would have entered right there, but we would not take the trade. Why? Because that FVG was filled with that candle when it closed to create that swing low. So we would not take that trade. Even if it win, that's just not our role, so we would not take it. Euro USD is doing its thing. I might have to draw right there, down, then up. Okay. So if price break above that line or that line, then we could potentially take a trade on Euro USD. I don't think it's going to happen though. Shit looking slow as fuck. USD, GBP USD, we're just waiting for it to go above that line to show that it really in a downtrend. Richer than my bros, it is my conscience. When the job finish, that's when they commend us. As you can see, USD CHF still doing it though. We're just waiting for a downtrend trade on USD CHF because everything aligned on USD CHF for downtrend trades. We could potentially take 4 trades today if A plus opportunities show up. Alright. So 4 trades max today, risking 0.5%, which is $250 on our 5K account. I not gonna lie, I want to drop a sauce. Okay, as we can see, the trade would have lost because obviously, that's why we're not going to take that specific trade because over a long period of trades, that trade is just less profitable than a trade we would normally take. So that's why we don't take it. Let's see, 30 minutes. We're just waiting for the 30 minutes to go above that. Still somewhat in a downtrend. Yeah, we're still looking to take some downtrend trades on USD CHF. Patience. Literally patience. If that could break a low, like that low, with one FVG, then we Gucci. And I think that's exactly what it's doing. Okay, we're seeing some movement on USD CHF. We want price to reach below. Actually, yeah, we want price to at least reach below that line. Or somewhat below that line. 15 in a downtrend. 40 minutes, kind of in a downtrend. One price to at least reach below that line. USD CHF trying to give us a trade. but to no avail. That's crazy. You know, we actually have hair, though. We literally just have little. We have hair, dog. What the hell? Yeah, you could tell when I don't have anything to say, you know. Shit is getting crazy, man. Hmm. I have to stay hydrated. We're not seeing any trade opportunity forming on USD CHF. Euro USD still fucking around. No, GBP USD still fucking around. It doesn't want to go above that line. Euro USD just in a consolidation right now. USD CHF potentially giving us a good trade. Right? Everything in a downtrend. Right? Create one FVG, break that structure. Hmm. Yeah, that definitely in a downtrend. We taking that beach. If price decide to go lower than that, taking that trade. All right, let's prepare to take a trade. Pause. Let's see. Yeah, we're going to take a trade right there. If price permits, Euro USD still doing nothing. So yeah, possible trade. Not a possible trade because it no break structure. Okay, that feel FVG, so that's not a trade again. Good trade idea though. We literally just waiting for price to break structure if on FVG, and we could take a trade, potential trade on USD CHF. As you can see, that didn't break structure, so we didn't take that trade. We didn't take that motherfucker. Uh-huh. Literally patience, guys. Literally just patience. Literally just patience. Okay. 15 minutes in a downturn, 30 minutes in a downturn, 1 hour in a downturn. That's what we like to see. Still no action on GBP USD and Euro USD. Okay, we're seeing some action there. Seeing some potential action forming. Okay, lovely action. No FVG, so we definitely not taking that trade. Uh-huh. Put my phone right there. that's a small trade, you know. Hey, yo, a trade opportunity for me. Let's stop fucking around. Mm-hmm. 20 seconds. No FVGs. Uh-huh. Come on, baby. Do your thing. Do your thing, my lady. Do your thing. GBP USD still fucking around along with Euro USD. So our sites are on USD CHF. Do your thing, baby. Do your thing. Do your thing, my baby. Do your thing. We're chilling, we're chilling. We're literally chilling. Price reverting back up. Still nothing on these pairs. That looking like it just freezy. Oi, what? You tell me that literally just not doing anything. Wow. Let's hope that improves. USD CHF going back up. Still in a downtrend though. Okay, so we seeing some action. Seeing some action in these little bitches. Euro USD. So GBP USD. We seen action on GBP USD and USD CHF trying to form some shit. Alright. We're going to be taking downtrends on USD CHF and uptrends on GBP USD. Alright. Wow. Okay, on the 1 minute. That shit not looking that spectacular, I'm not gonna lie. USD CHF trying to give us a trade of that's it there. 6 more seconds. 1.2 125 positions. Oh my gosh, I did the wrong thing. Okay, not a trade. Not a trade. Trade invalidated. Alright. Almost was a trade, almost left the FVG. But then price literally just started shooting up, so not a trade at all. 11:29 now. Just now our 30-minute candle. Just now we're getting a new 30-minute candle. So we have to be vigilant. GBP USD rejecting of that line. We want to see at least something form. Euro USD, we literally not seeing any shit happening. It going back down again. Going back down again. Let's see what it does. Hopefully, it break that trend. It break that low with a candle or with a FVG, unfilled FVG to be exact. So we could potentially take a downtrend trade. But that's the last candle of the 30-minute interval. Let's see what the other candle does. We have 30 more minutes. Okay. Other candle. Other candle seems to be going up. Still looking for the same things across both of these forex pairs. One price to break down. Okay, price breaking down. We calm, we zen. Okay. Lower, lower, lower though. Lower bitch. 6 more seconds. Okay, so no FVG when you break that structure. So we have to wait for it to break structure with a FVG. Patience is a virtue. Just waiting for that to happen. It broke structure, but it didn't have a FVG, so we're not going to take trades. Okay, we see another potential trade forming. If it breaks that structure with a FVG, or untouched FVG, then we Gucci. GBP USD also doing some shit right there. Let's see. Candle have 30 seconds to close. Still in a downtrend. We're literally chilling. Okay, that closed as a down candle. We're just waiting for that to form a FVG. So we could enter in on a potential trade. GBP USD. Ah! Oh my gosh. Lovely shit, huh? Lovely shit. Come on, keep on going down. We're not forcing anything. We're just going with the flow of that shit. Two positions of 125 because we have two TPs. Let's not forget that. 18 seconds. Five seconds. All right. Create a big wick there. That's in there in the process of a trade. So long price go up above that line, we definitely taking a trade. We wanted to create a price tag that breaking structure and have one unfilled FVG. Euro USD consolidating still. USD CHF 15 more seconds. You have 25 minutes again until market close. Well, until we stop trading. All right, so you see price form another up candle there. All right, price form another up candle. We just wanted to break structure down there, forming an FVG, and we taking a trade. We're risking 125, two positions, so it's going to be 250 in all, which is 0.5%, because you have to take profits. Okay, nah, doesn't look like price wanna. Euro USD, nada. USD card, nada also. Okay, it's time to go up. See that. It's alright, it is a vibe. It's alright, it is a vibe. It's alright, yeah, it's a vibe. It's okay, it's alright. Okay. Trade opportunity. I think this time we're going to actually take a trade. Alright, our side set on that. Let's see what the fuck happens. Risking 0.5%, so we're taking two 125%, $125 positions. That's a good trade. Not a trade. On my screen, that's not a trade. It's definitely not a trade on my screen. On MT5, on my MT5, that's not a trade. So we're not taking it. GBP USD still fucking around. Although on trading view, that's a trade. That's a good trade. On my screen, MT5, that's not a trade. That candle close as a doji. Like literally, I cannot even tell if that's a black or a blue candle. And usually we just draw a low on a blue candle that literally don't have any color. So that's why we didn't take that trade. On my screen, that blew through. Okay, you see it blew through, right? That trade would have been a loss if we took that shit, but we didn't because we know what the fuck we're doing. All right, price looking to go up higher. 20 more minutes. Price going higher, potentially stopping the downtrend. Yeah, we can still take trades. Still taking downtrend trades. Still taking downtrend trades. On USD CHF. Price have to go down and go below that low for us to take a potential trade. Or create a low and then break it. But patience. Patience is a virtue. It's a vibe all the time. It's a vibe all the time. It's a vibe all the time. Okay, we see a gap form there. Let's see what price does. GBP USD going up on a Tuesday. Party going up on a Tuesday. Going up on a Tuesday. It's a vibe all the time. Going up, so that's a FVG there. It's definitely a FVG, but we only want one FVG to form. So we have to keep our eye out. Price probably going to come back and fill that gap, that void, and then go down. And then we're going to take a trade by shooting up. Oh wow, GBP USD shooting up. Eh? Two FVGs, so that's not a trade. Let's see what the fuck happens. That's not a trade because it had more than one FVG. GBP USD also not a trade. It had more than one FVG. One, two. Price literally going up on a Tuesday. Okigami stop on a Tuesday. Going up on a Tuesday. Okay. Okay, price creating a same price creating something interesting there. Let's see what happens. Waiting for it to break that structure there with a FVG, and then we Gucci flip flops. Okay, GBP USD forming highs, but USD CHF is more promising. Screen record now. Thirty more seconds to close. GBP USD nada. It's 11:46 now. Two positions of $125. I have to keep on reminding myself. Okay, so price closed below that low. All right. Okay. Price creating a new low. So price break through that. They have one FVG, unfilled FVG, so that's actually a good sign there. All right. Okay, so that's not a trade. See price down candle on the up candle, it go ahead and fill the FVG, so that's not a trade. Definitely not a trade. Go ahead, fill the FVG. Probably going to hit the yup, yup. Another trade dodged. Oh, we literally dodging low probability trades. Because we know that shit. I know that shit. I've been in the mud. I know how it is. I see it already 1,000 times. If price could go above and hit that, break that structure with one FVG, one unfilled FVG, then we good. Like we said, price going ahead and filling the void. And probably going to shoot back down after that. As we can see, multiple no wick candles. One, two, three, four, five. Marabushi candle. That's what they call it. That means that they have a lot of people selling at these prices there. So we definitely in line to see a reversal of some sort, price going back down. Because it just yep, yep, yep. That's what I'm talking about. We literally have 10 more minutes. We trade one, two, three, four, five. So we're not taking that trade because there are five averages. We just want price to go back and close under that candle with one FVG in the price leg. And we Gucci. You have how much? You have 9 more minutes. We stopping all trades at 12. But you going out Tuesday should go, you know. Okay, going strong tonight. Up and down. And then if price go above that, then we Gucci. Okay, anytime on Tuesday, that's gonna price on Tuesday. Forming a potential trade, 40 more seconds. Now we're just looking for price to break under that line because that's the new low with one FVG. Patience. You have 8 more minutes until we're not taking trades again. GBP USD. All right. So we see price going down, closing under that. Well, it don't close, but yeah, you get the idea. You have one FVG. Okay, so it filled the FVG, so that's not a trade idea again. GBP USD trying and break above that high. If it break above that high with one FVG, we definitely taking that trade. Woo! Okay. Seeing a trade on GBP USD forming. That's definitely a trade there. Let's check USD CHF. Also creating a trade. Which one is better? GBP USD is way better. What time it is? You have to focus on one. I would say that's way better. So we're looking to just take a trade on GBP USD. Right, we're just waiting for a down candle to form. One FVG present, breaking price structure. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Afternoon. Okay. USD CHF. Yeah, we'll have to take a trade on USD CHF. Okay, good. Looking sparkling. You're taking you out today or what? Okay. One, two, three. We gotta take that trade. USD still trying to provide an opportunity for us, as it should. We're going to just show that trend line from there to there. Let's see. We want that candle to close as an up candle. We have 4 more minutes. We're just waiting for up candle to form. Right? Oh, that's a lovely trade. That's a lovely trade. We just want the up candle to form, filling that last FVG, and then we good. We literally Gucci. I think that's exactly what's going to happen. Alright. Okay, so price went ahead and filled that FVG, so we can't take that trade again. Trade invalidated. GBP USD 1, 2 trade invalidated because price entered that FVG. It's looking like a no trade day, you know. We still have like 2 more minutes. Still have 2 more minutes. Still have 2 more minutes. So because the reason why we don't take that trade is because price went ahead and filled that FVG on that candle close. So price had to basically close and not fill that FVG, and then we could have taken that trade. But it filled the FVG, so yeah, the trade idea got, oh my gosh, the trade idea got invalidated. So yeah, that's the day for trading. We literally up like how much cash we up this week? We up like 70 something dollars on the account. But yeah, that's it for today. Literally 1 more minute. So yeah.